Hey everyone, so I just got something in the mail today that I'd never really been excited about. Windshield wipers. I mean, let's be honest, wipers are just kind of there, right? You don't really think about them until it starts pouring. Then suddenly they're the most important thing in the world. Well, I keep hearing about these wipers called KIMBLADE X, and apparently they're completely different from all the wipers that we're used to. So today, I'm going to try them out for the first time, and we're going to see if they're as really good as people say they are. Well, let's check them out. Whoa, this looks different. So unlike my old wipers, which have a triangular shape, KIMBLADE X has a rectangular blade. I've never seen a wiper shaped like this before. Apparently, this rectangular design helps the wiper apply even pressure, so it wipes more clearly and doesn't leave streaks. Also, the material is silicone instead of rubber, which means it doesn't get brittle or bent out of shape like regular wipers do. And get this, it actually coats your windshield with a water repellent layer every time you use it. That sounds pretty cool. So let's test it out. I'll use my old one first and then KIMBLADE X. So my old wipers have been on my car for a while now, and I've never really paid too much attention to them before. Wait a second. I didn't actually notice before, but they're kind of worn out. The edges all look a little rough, and I never really thought about it. But these things do wear out over time. Most wipers have a triangular blade, which apparently bends and loosens its shape over time. And when that happens, they don't wipe properly anymore. So let's find out how the old ones actually work. Let's test out my old wipers. I can already tell. They're not cleaning well, and that wish-wash sound is so annoying. I never really noticed it before. Let's switch them out and try KIMBLADE X. Time to check out KIMBLADE X. Wow, look at how it's cleaning. Wow, these wipers are so smooth. Can you hear that? Just clean, silent wiping. Okay, I did not expect to care this much about windshield wipers, but here we are. Way better wiping performance, no streaks, no leftover water. Next, silicone coating actually works. Keeps the windshield clearer for longer. Also, way more durable than regular wipers and no bending or wearing out. Last, and most importantly, is really quiet. Honestly, if you're like me and you've never thought about upgrading your wipers, this might actually be one of the best upgrades you can make for your car. If you want better visibility, less noise, and wipers that actually last, check out KIMBLADE X. I think you'll be just as surprised as I was.